Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Melissa here. If you're new, today we received our Ipsy June and I'm kind of running out of daylight here because I was working today, so I really want to kind of run through this as quickly as I can just to get it out for you guys. So before I get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you enjoy watching these unboxings and just care to see a little more of my life. This month's theme is Sunny Days Ahead. And this month, Ipsy is delivering everything you need for a sun-kissed glow all summer long. We have the iconic Zendaya featured. So I'm going to start with our Ipsy Glam Bag. And as always, I'm so grateful for Ipsy. They did gift me this month's box and bag. So I'm always overjoyed to open this with you guys. And already off to a good start. This bag is so cute. It's very much summery vibes. It has the little drawstring right here, which kind of reminds me of little tennis shoes, like little tennis shoe strings. Really cute. And it's very sunny and yellow inside. First things first, we have Girlactic. This is their fruit superfood sugar-free scrub. If I'm not mistaken, I actually tried this out before and no, it smells a little different. So maybe it was another one, but I really loved what it did to my skin. It was like very exfoliating. So I feel like this one's going to be very similar because it is a face scrub, but this stuff smells really good. And so far I have not been disappointed from this brand. Alright, next what we have in here is, we have Frank Body. It's been a while since I've used any Frank Body product, but this is a Rose Hip Body Scrub and Cleanser. It's a 2-in-1 melting body scrub. So it has rosemary oil and it has rose hip oil and exfoliating sugar. So I don't know if you guys are big into body scrubs and face scrubs, but I love them. I feel like it's like a self-care on its own kind of thing. And this one smells really good too. This is so perfect for summer. We want to make sure we're always exfoliating, and this stuff, so excited to definitely use. Alright, next up in our Ipsy, we have this Ace Beauty liquid eyeshadow. And this is the shade Stella Dusk, so I'm going to go ahead and test this on my hand here so you guys can get a good feel of what it looks like. It looks really stunning. Definitely not for like an everyday look for me personally, but this could really look stunning for a very glam look. I'm not sure if the camera quite shows it very well, but it has a lot of pink inside it. I feel like the camera makes it look a little more golden, but it is really beautiful and such a pretty look. Even if you mix it into your moisturizer, I feel like that would give you really pretty glowy skin. Next in our little glam bag, we have First Aid Beauty. Such a fan. This is their Brighten and Glow Moisturizer with vitamin C. If you've watched my videos for a while now, you know that I love products with vitamin C in them. I feel like vitamin C is one of those ingredients that you always need in your skincare routine. So I've tried so many products of theirs, but actually I have not given this one a try. So I'm excited to try this out on my skin probably in the next week or so, because I actually really need to open up a new moisturizer because I just finished mine. So I'm going to give this a try. Let me know if you guys have tried it before and what you guys think. And last we have here this Dear Midnight. What is this? Oh, it's a color change pH lip balm. Oh my gosh, you guys. This sounds really cool. I love the packaging. It has like glitter and stars on it. It's so pretty. Open this up, just give me one moment. I hate when products have like an annoying plastic on it that you cannot get off for the life of you. finally got it. Okay, so it is clear and it has a little bit of glitter in it. It kind of matches the outside with the stars. Really pretty, and I'm gonna test it on here. Yeah, it's very clear, so I am really not familiar with this product, so I'm gonna look into it after this. But if you guys are familiar, please let me know. It says color change on it, so I'm waiting to see a color change. So it went on clear, but I'm starting to see like a little bit of pink. But this is a really cool product. So far it's still a little bit pink. I don't know if I needed to put more on, but I'm gonna definitely research this product and check it out because I'm not familiar with it, but I'm very, very intrigued. And that was all for the Ipsy Glam Bag. I'd say it's a pretty good one this month. So we're gonna go ahead and dive into our Boxycharm. So here's our little ad. And let's see what we got. Alright guys, first things first, we have an Il Makiage product. This is a Color Boss Squad Eye Color Shadow Palette. I am pretty sure I've received this in my Ipsy before, but I cannot recall because I try out so many different products, but this is really, really pretty. And the quality just always feels so good with their products. I don't know if you guys have ever tried their foundation, but I've been dying to try that too because it just looks so incredible. Excited to give this a try. I probably won't wear these during the day, but maybe like a nighttime date night. I think that would be really cute. Next product we have here is from Feel, and this is their Refinishing Night Serum. It has lactic acid and squalane. Am I pronouncing that correctly? I'm not quite sure. So this is a night product, and you'll use this as the final step in your routine before going to bed. I use a serum morning and evening, so I'm definitely going to give this one a try. And our next product we have here is Pink Lips. This is glass lip gloss, and they look really, really pretty. I'm not sure that they're going to be very pigmented. They don't seem to come off as that, but I'm going to go ahead and open this and test it on my hand so we can give it a better look. So here are the two pink shades. Very pretty and totally summer colors. So here we're going to go test it on my hand right here. This is very, very clear. Like the slightest little pink tint, you barely see anything. So this is definitely like a topper. So I don't really know if that's even going to show in my camera, but I'm going to still try and show you guys, and I'm going to do this one right next to it. And this one seems to be the same thing, just like another topper gloss. And it has like a little bit of shimmer in it. And they literally smell like candy. They smell so good. Our next product is from one of my all-time favorite brands. This is from Briogeo, and I used to not know how to pronounce their name, and then I felt so silly when I learned because I really didn't know what in the world I was saying. So this is their Superfoods Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture. It's a leave-in-one spray. So this has no harsh sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. It helps detangle, condition, and it protects your hair from UV rays. So very excited for this for summer because that sun can really beat down on your hair and your hair just really takes a beating. And this literally smells like a kiwi smoothie, you guys. If I could help you just smell this through my camera here, it literally gives a summer smell. I love it. It's probably my favorite product so far. And our last product here, you guys, we have the REM Beauty. This is her Blurring Primer, and this is the Lunar Magic. So I'm going to try and rub this in on my hand because primers are so important with the texture and how they feel on your skin. But I have not been disappointed by REM Beauty, absolutely whatsoever. It feels like it turns into like a moisturizer. It's very smooth and it definitely gives a primer feel, but not like sticky. So I'm excited to give this a try on my actual face. But if you guys have tried this out, let me know what your thoughts are. This is like a nice little, I don't know if this is the actual full-size product, but if it's not and this is the travel size, this is a pretty nice travel size. I really like the feel of this, so I'm excited to give this a try on my skin. Alright friends, thanks so much for watching. Please go ahead and give this video a like, a comment saying hello, and let me know what your favorite product was in this month's box. Thanks guys, see you in the next one!